other Christmassy things. There are so many events happening in Mumbai and I'm so excited about them. And right now we are going to Geo Plaza and I think their Christmas tree is up. This is going to be the first time they'll put up a Christmas tree and I'm really excited because they outdo themselves every festival. So I'm really hoping that their Christmas tree, so I was saying that I'm really excited to see their Christmas tree and maybe do some shopping, maybe do some shopping for this one, but yeah, we'll see. I just knew it that this was going to be beautiful and it did it met my expectations. It's prettier than what I imagined it to be and I'm so happy. Now we are going to this market. We are so lucky we came on the 14th and it starts on 14th. So yeah, this is where we are going next. You guys! There's a full market situation with like brands and all. We have another Christmas tree. Oh my god, I love it. Guys, this Christmas market thingy which happened in Geo Plaza, I didn't like it that much. It was a bit underwhelming because the shops and all, they were very basic, right? And the whole thing, maybe it was the first time, so that's why. But I'm so sure the dry one is going to be super...
much better.
Yeah, I think the dry one is going to be much better because we've been going there since 2 years now. So yeah, also your camera quality is so good. I am so convinced that I want to buy iPhone 16
you can
Pro.
use my camera, no?
16 Pro.
Yeah, just
Look
use
at
mine.
it, like it's so good. Now we have come to Lodre. I don't know what's the correct pronunciation, excuse that. But yeah, we have called for a pasta and hot chocolate, obviously. And we haven't done any shopping yet. Might do. So yeah, might splurge a little. But before that, we have to be fully... we have to make sure that we are fully full in terms of food. We are fully fed is what I meant actually. Our pasta is here. The hot chocolate was not available, so we are just gonna have this now. It's good. It's very flavorful. It has so many nice flavors and you can taste each of them. So this is our vanilla eclair and then here we have ordered a rose macaroon and this is chocolate. This is for Anik.
Thanks.
Fake reaction.
It's
But it's
good.
actually good, yeah. We are in Geo Drive now. We are in the basement, in the parking, and I'm just doing my touch-up. I have changed because you all know I don't like wearing the same outfit throughout, and right now it has gotten a little chilly. Not too chilly, so I've just worn like a full sleeves kind of top along with like a pair of good jeans, and yeah, we'll see what all is there. I hope it's good and not disappointing for real. I want there to be good shops, good food, good music, and just like overall a nice vibe, you know. That's what I'm craving. So yeah, oh my god, I've gotten so oily. I've been obsessed with these K-Beauty lip hydrating lipsticks. They are actually really good and almost all the shades I've tried, they are so good. My favorite lip gloss at the moment has to be the one from Bobbi Brown, which I cannot find. Oh, I found it. Never mind, I was just overreacting. Changed my bag as well because this is not going with my outfit right now. So yeah, okay. Guys, we came here last year also. It was so pretty, and even right now it's so pretty.
Let's do a top up.
Yeah, I love it. Boo! Boo! Yay!
Let's reveal. Oh, you match you. Oh, you 3 match. सब match हो गए. Oh, what? What? What the hell? Thank you. Look at this.
LOL.
Oh.
Guys, we have completed 2 levels and now we are at this gift station. So let's see what we get. I want that, but I don't think we can get it. Guys, Anik is getting a cool plate for himself and I am confused between the llama, which is this, or maybe that or that. I finally have a pet.
Which?
Please suggest names. Please suggest names
Your
for
pet
my
is
dog.
blushing. It's blushing. Look at this.
What you got?
And I got this vintage Coca-Cola sign. It's pretty cool, right?
Anik has found like a chocolate fountain where you can dip strawberries. That's yummy. I love strawberries. This is where we are at. We are just waiting for our turn and then we are gonna start eating. And this is gonna be like a mukbang. Say hi. Ah, cute. People, oh my god, my nail is matching. Hi guys, I need to update you all because I have not vlogged so many things that I've been doing and I need to sort of like catch you all up to speed and tell you all where I've gone, what all I've done, all things Christmassy. The thing is I could not vlog because I was so overwhelmed. Every year I was just, you know, in my house doing my own thing, but this time, touch wood, I was invited for so many events. I've gone to, you know, so many of my friends' places. I've hung out with new people. But yeah, like I need to tell you all because I have honestly had such a good time. I have like literally let myself out. I've danced, I've ate, I've had fun, I've laughed, I've had so many conversations. But enough of yapping. I literally need to open my phone and see that where all I have been in the past few days. So I met a new friend. Her name is Bani and we went to this place in Bandra called Vanilla Meal. And guys, it was actually such a cute place. We had this like tree kind of thing. It was their Christmas special which had like fondue and like cake and chocolate. It was so good. And then later that night, me, Anik, Augusta and Rhea, we went out and we went to, I think first we went to something came at my doorstep. We have donuts from MOD and it's their Christmas special. You guys, oh my god, I need to have these. It's like a Christmas tree. Anyway, so I was saying that we went to Shelter. It has opened up in Bandra. Such good food. Like we inhaled the food there. And then we went to Dessert Republic and they had such a cute Christmas decor. So yeah, we had hot chocolate there. We had like strawberries covered with chocolate and all of that. That night was so much fun. We talked about so many things. And then the next day, I went for this Coca-Cola party, which was also so good. Firstly, I was looking so good. Like my outfit was outfitting, hair was giving, makeup was giving, and it was such a beautiful setup. It was there in GG Bombay. They were fully decked up for Christmas. I honestly had the best time. And then the next day I went for my friend's house party, which was like a Christmas house party. That was also so much fun. Again, my outfit that day was also so cute. It was so cool girl Pinterest coded. And we played so many games. We were playing like Mafia, which is my favorite game to play, and we had so many other cup related games. we danced on so many songs. We literally came back home at like 3 in the night. It was an insane night. And then yesterday I went for another Christmas party which was hosted by Urbanic, and it was very far from my house, and I reached at like 10:30, but that was also really good. Like again, I met so many of my friends, we were dancing, and it was just a fun vibe. And here I am, present time, eating a Christmas tree donut, having a beautiful time of my life. I am so happy, honestly. These came right on time. But anyways, tonight is the night. I am home and we are gonna do like a cozy Christmas night because I have not done that, and I low-key feel bad because I just wanna watch a Christmas movie. Like literally, I have not watched a single Christmas movie. How is that even fair? Is it not, like, it cannot happen, right? So I'm gonna make those air fryer s'mores. Like I have a recipe, I have gotten a few items, and yeah, we're gonna see that. I'm gonna do that later when it gets like a little dark. That's my plan for tonight. I just want to have a chill, cozy night. I was actually not gonna do this segment because I was like, you know what, I feel bad, why did I not vlog, whatever. But I was like, you know what, I can just talk about it and I can show you all pictures, and that in itself will give you all a gist of it, right? Let me know if this was the right thing to do or not. You guys, today is my day. I have gotten another Christmas gift from this brand called Adore, and oh my god, there are such cute things here. We have this, I don't know what this is, but okay. We have a cute little note. We have Kit Kat, a rich chocolate coated wafer. We have a Christmas candle. We have these cute Christmas ornaments. I can put it on my tree for real. And we have some jewelry pieces. I love it. Oh my god. I love Christmas. Literally, I love Christmas. You guys, we are making s'mores right now. I mean, obviously I don't have the actual setup, but I saw this recipe. You just put, you know, the marshmallows in the air fryer and then you put chocolate, whatever. So obviously I have the ingredients. So we have marshmallows, and then I just like ordered these biscuits. I don't know, these are not the ones that you use for s'mores, but these were the only ones I could find. And then we have some creamy milk chocolate. This is from Hershey's. So I am literally hoping this goes well and it turns out exactly it was shown in the video. You don't have to do much. You just have to like put the marshmallows in the air fryer and then just like have them get goldenish brown, and then you put the chocolate and then you put it back again and then you take it out and it's done. It's so easy, and I low-key don't mind like doing something as easy and basic as this, just so I can go back to my Christmas movie, which we also have to pick. So yeah, okay, let's get started with this. That's my air fryer. We are gonna put obviously like a parchment paper in this. Ow. That's how it's looking. Oh my god, you guys, it worked! Guys, I'm watching this movie called Christmas with You. Also, this is hitting. It is so good. Like, I'm not even joking. It's so nice. I know it doesn't look very nice, but it tastes so good.